Hello friends, welcome to Studentpedia. In this video, we are going to discuss how to fill the application form of Xavier'S Kolkata. And in the first page, when you go to the link of filling the application form of Xavier'S Kolkata, there will be the guidelines, information, and you have to read all the guidelines which is provided by the Xavier'S College Kolkata responsibly. And all the criteria is mentioned here of each subject because the eligibility criteria and the index marking is differ in different subjects. So you have to be very responsible while reading the details, and after that reading all the details you have to move to applicant's detail. That include that your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, gender, physically challenged. If you are physically challenged, then you have to claim yes, and you have to provide the certificate. And if you claim any quota, then you have to provide certificate. So be clear that if you have certificate, then choose that quota. Otherwise your form will be rejected or you will not get the admission because of the document verification. And then you have to choose the community and religion. These information are easily available to you in your admit card or maybe in Aadhaar card. Then there will be corresponding details. You have to fill your address, city, district, country, and the PIN, states, phone number, and the student mobile number. You have to give all the information very clearly, and you have to give all the information which is available to you. Many times student mobile number are not active, you give the email which is not active, so in that case you will not get the admission or information. Here you can see the academic details. You have to fill all the details of the class 12, like last school you have attended and other school please specify. And then board council, you have to select your board like CBSE and any other state board, city, town, district of your school, roll number, UID of the class 12, council examination, year of the passing, which year you have passed, and if you have take the drop of 5 year and you have had a drop of 5 year, then in that case you are not eligible to filling the form. Then you have to choose your stream, which stream you belong, arts, humanities, or any other like science and the commerce. And then you have to fill the class 12 mark sheet. And here you can see the aggregate calculated with the best 4 subject, and it differ in every subject. So you have to be clear that which subject included or which subject not. The star mark is not included in many of the subject, and the single star subject may be included in some subject, but it is very specific to some subject of the fine arts and arts. So if you have any subject, then you don't have to mention that. Here I have selected the physics, so math is the compulsory, so you have to give the marks of the math and other subject which you want to calculate as aggregate marks. I will suggest if you have any highest marks, then choose that subject, that will give you upper hand. And here you have to mention other subject as well. The pellet portion is not filled by the candidate, so you have to leave it as it is. Then you have to give the class 10 details like school attendant in the class 10, and if you have any specific school, then you can choose. Then medium of the study in the class 10, English, Bengali, Hindi, others. You have to choose the medium of your school. Be clear that you have studied in English medium, public, Bengali or Hindi. You have to fill the other details. If you are foreign national or non-resident Indian, then you have to give all the details like select the options, which country you belong and which national you belong, and then you have to select the country and the passport number. That is the important information you have to give. And then nationality, Indian, father's name, mother's name, guardian relation, and the monthly income of the family you have to mention here. And then you have to click on the declaration, you have to select yes, and then you have to move on to submit the download the acknowledgement sheet of the bank receipt. And when after submitting this, the form will be complete and you have successfully filled the application form of Xavier'S College Kolkata. If you require any information, you can comment. I will try to give you reply, and in case if I have to make video, then I will try to upload that video as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.